Hey everyone, I'm diving deep into the big question. How do you actually go from $0 to earning your first dollar online? I keep hearing about side hustles, freelancing, content creation, and other ideas and opportunities, but what I really want to hear from is you. The real steps you've used, all the way from the beginning to uh, what you're achieving now, um, and you don't have to be making millions, but if you've got some ideas on how if you're happy to share, that'd be awesome. So yeah, if you've successfully made money online, what I'd like to know is, what strategy or platform did you use? What were your first actionable steps to get started? How long did it take to see results? And if you haven't started yet, what's holding you back? Maybe together we can figure out the best path to earning that first dollar. Comment below if you don't mind, with the steps that you did, or tag me in a video or something like that. It's what I'd really like is to turn this comment section into an actual gold mine of practical advice that I and other people can use to move forward. Drop your insights below and let's learn from each other. And look, thanks so much for listening, and thanks even more if you contribute. Thank you.